Hi, welcome to the 3-minute How Do Chiropractic Adjustments Help My Neck Pain video. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, author of Back and Neck Pain Relief, short-term care for your neck and back pain, and not one single visit more. Well, all of us have experienced some type of neck pain, either from being on the phone too long, talking to someone off to the side, or even turning our head when all of a sudden, snaps in our neck and we feel this pain. So how do chiropractic adjustments help? Well, chiropractic means to heal or help by hand, and chiropractors use a very specific spinal manipulation, which we call like a high velocity or low amplitude thrust. And that's one to restore restriction of motion, as well as stimulating receptors, or we call them neuroreceptors, in the joint capsules. This helps to create some type of relaxation through the muscle. We also affect through nerve type structures, through cranial sacral nerves, which are parasympathetics nervous system, and our mid-back, which is our sympathetic nervous system. The benefits of chiropractic can also include digestive, cardiovascular type systems, and this actually is not new. Chiropractic has been used as early as 400 BCE, and in this type of manipulation today, we see plenty of evidence that shows safe, effective treatment for back, neck pain, and even headaches. The important thing to realize that there are other techniques that have a low velocity, and low amplitude, which is a non-thrusting technique, and that's all the various types of tools or instruments out there that don't produce that cracking type sound. You can use some non-thrusting methods such as mobilization, which includes a type of traction or manual traction, which is a pulling of the neck in various directions or movements. We call it ranges of motion, and this creates a movement of a gliding effect that gradually increases with pressure. And no matter what the case is, whether using manipulation, mobilization, or combination, chiropractors can also use trigger point type therapy. That's where you have pressure over tight muscles, tight knotting that you may feel in the back of the neck or even in your back. So these are some of the things that chiropractors can do in helping with your neck pain and or your back pain. For more questions, visit my website at drdavidwarwick.com or call our office at 360-951-4504. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.